Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've already primed my face, and today I'm gonna do an orange eyeshadow look. I did a hot oil treatment on my hair last night, so and I did a twist out. So it's time for me to take my twist out now, and I just want to have a beat face, cause your girl loves to take pictures, like loves to take pictures. So I'm gonna do this orange eyeshadow look, and hopefully it turns out really nice and bright because that's what I like. I want it to be very vibrant, and I don't know, I just have a picture of what I'm doing in my head. And when I do eyeshadow looks, sometimes I have a picture that's an idea, but like a picture that I want to go by, you know. But yeah, girl. As you can see, I'm doing what I always do at the beginning of my video, just priming my lids so that my color will show up. And anytime you're doing like color, um, you just want to make sure you prime your lids, especially if you are a African American woman. Forgive all these bumps on my face. Well, my skin going through a little something right now, but it'll be corrected by one of the next videos. Which one? I don't know. But normally, bumps don't last too long on my face, so I ain't really worried about it. So I put the concealer around my whole eye, and I'll show y'all why a little later. But first, what I'm going to do is start off with this palette here, which is the the Saharian palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna start off with this color Jamila and apply it over my whole lid like this. Alright, so you see how dark this eye is? Well, the how dark the shadow is, that's how I want to make this eye. So I need to add a little bit more to it. So like that, and now I'm just going to do a small cut crease. I mean, I don't have to do much because I didn't even add that much eyeshadow. So alright, so now I'm gonna go back in with the same color orange, just on a different brush. And I'm gonna start on the outside and pack that on like real heavy, like real heavy. Okay, so I'm not cool with the way my cut crease is turning out, so I'm just not taking my time today. I'm just kind of rushing, so I'm just gonna blend it together and blend it up a little bit like this, just like that. Just blend it up. And I'm gonna get some more of that orange and go under my eye right here. Like that. And I don't think I'm gonna go all the way in. No, I'm not. And I'm gonna put a touch of gold in the inner corner. So now I'm just gonna wipe off the same little brush. I need to get some more brushes, like really bad. Like really bad. And I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. Ooh. Just like that. Ooh, that's cute. And I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit. That's cute. And the eyeshadow on this eye is just darker because I didn't get the base light as light as this one. But I mean, it still looks good. Now I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup. I'm just gonna speed through that, so